Hi guys, this is the GV show and welcome back. So today we're going to be going to Kigali burger to pick up a burger. And so guys, stay with me and remember to subscribe, like, show your love, and tell a friend to tell a friend. So this is the outfit of the day. So guys, we're already there. Stay with me while we enter. We're already there. I made an order takeaway, waiting for it. So I got my order. So guys, this is my takeaway. They finished to pack it for me. Now I am going home. I'm heading home to enjoy my food. Stay tuned to watch how the delivery is. So I am home. I am going to open my burger. Let's see. Going to, oh my god, oh my god, look at this size of the burger. Oh my god, look at the size. Okay, let me take a bite. Yum, this is so sweet. Oh my god, I wish I could give you some. Oh my god, wow. There's also even chips aside. Can you, do you even remember that this is dad's money I'm eating? I'm like, my dad is spoiling me. Alright, so thank you guys for tuning in today. See you in the next vlog, and also remember to subscribe, like, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Show your support. Bye, love you.